Hello guys, this is Bensi the fabricator here, and today I want to share with you something very important, how I fix the door locks. So if you are somebody of interest, you've been struggling on how to know how to fix the door locks, then this video is for you. Please watch to the end so that you may get the full knowledge of how to fix a door lock. And then don't forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly subscribe so that you may get notified when next I post something that may be of help to you. So as you can see, this is the door that we want to fix the locks in, and it's made of high quality materials, which is very important for the strength, very important for the durability, and also for the general outlook of the door. So the door lock itself is here, one we got from the most trusted door lock brands around. And of course, if you can see, it's a very strong lock. It's durable, functions so very well, and of course a rust free lock. Some of the things you should consider while buying your next door lock. So then we have to prepare the space for the lock inside this RHS tube. So I used an angle grinder to cut the outer part of the tube, but because the angle grinder couldn't get through into the inner part of it, I used a welding machine to cut the inner space. We have to make sure that the locks gets in without any interference. After I am done with preparing the space for the lock inside the tube, I take the lock, puts it inside to ensure that it gets in smoothly and steadily to avoid any future problems associated with tight locks. But with my lock, you can see there is a problem somewhere. The bolt is not in the correct position as it should be according to how my door opens. So what I do, I take out the lock, then uses this space under the bolt here to push the bolt backwards and twist it to the position that I want, so that it gets in so well and fits very perfectly in my door. Take a look. Yeah, so after everything is aligned perfectly, it's now time to fix the lock permanently on the door. And here I use a pop rivet and a pop gun. So I drill a hole through the lock into the tube, then uses the pop gun to pump the pop rivet to hold the lock firmly onto the door. Some people may weld it permanently, others may use screws, but I prefer using the pop rivets because it's very easy. Even when there would be a problem, it's very easy to fix the problem when you use the pop rivets. And then I fix the door handles, and as you can see, I would make sure that they are aligned so perfectly, such that even if you are looking it from a distance, you would see it's perpendicularly aligned straight onto the door from both outside, and so it's done even on the other side. Having done that, I fix the locking plate to the other side of the door, the locking holes, to ensure when the door locks, it locks so tightly and firmly. And then we try our door lock, and as you can see, it's nicely done. Everything is perfectly aligned. Everything is working so smoothly. Even if you close it, you see I'm using the keys to close the lock. It's very, very tight. It holds firmly, very strong. And that is how I do things around here. So if you are impressed with this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Let us make such spirit moving forward, and see you in the next video.